In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Collaborator in Shopify 2025. Let's get started right from your Shopify admin. Open your store's admin dashboard in a desktop browser so you can see the full navigation clearly. Once you're in, look to the lower left corner and open Settings. This is where Shopify keeps all the behind-the-scenes controls for your store, including your security and access tools. Inside Settings, use the search bar at the top to jump straight to what you need. Start typing Collaborators, or simply Collab. Shopify will highlight the relevant area so you don't have to scroll around hunting for it. This is the quickest way to find the exact setting we're after, and it works across most settings pages. When you see the Collaborators option, open it. Depending on your plan and layout, you may find it under a Security or Organization section. This page is designed specifically for managing Collaborator access codes, which Shopify partners use when they request access to help you with tasks like theme edits, app setup, troubleshooting, or store optimization. Now generate a new code. Click the button that says Generate New Code, and Shopify will create a short, unique code for your store. Think of this as a gate key that a trusted partner needs in order to send a Collaborator request. It doesn't grant access on its own, it just lets the request reach you. You still review the request and decide what permissions to grant before approving anything. Once the code appears, click directly on it to copy it. That makes it easy to share securely with your collaborator. Send it through a private channel you trust. Never post it publicly. If you suspect it was shared too widely, or you want to refresh it for a new project, simply generate a new code again. When you do that, the previous code stops being useful, which helps keep your store safe. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Only provide the code to people you trust and who have told you they'll send a Collaborator request through Shopify. When a request arrives, review the permissions carefully so they only get access to the parts of your store they actually need. You can change or remove access later if your project ends. And that's it. Open your admin, go to Settings, search for Collaborators, generate a new code, and click the code to copy it.